If you want to identify the next generation of growth stocks, the best way to do it is study the past generation of growth stocks. Let me show you here. Here is the growth of Amazon, Netflix, Tesla, Google, Spotify, Meta, and Nvidia. And you can see that they follow a path. And the first path is you'll find the growth in revenue. So you look for 3 years of growth of revenue, and then what you'll see coming right behind it is the growth in the earnings per share. And then following that will be the growth in the stock price. So you can see that these stocks put in some tremendous growth in their revenues year by year. And so what we have here in 3-year period, Amazon grew its revenue by 116%, Tesla by 300%. That is 3 years of growth. Then the earnings per share came along with Amazon growing by 1,700%, and their stock grew by 600%. So, okay, if we know it's revenues followed by earnings per share followed by stock price. Now that I have learned from the past growth opportunities presented by the digital revolution, now what I'm looking for are the stocks that are going to give me the growth in the future relative to the AI revolution. IREN, has a growth rate of revenue projected over the next 3 years of 67% and a growth in earnings per share of 485%. CRDO is even better than that, a growth in revenue over the next 3 years projected at 207 and a growth in earnings per share of 650. SoundHound, 156 in revenue growth and 124 in earnings per share. Marvel, 83 and 137. Micron Technology, 66 and 485. And Skywater, 44 and 212. Now, what I've shown you down here is NVIDIA's prior to their takeoff, what they looked like. And so what I'm saying is this, compare what NVIDIA looked like in their growth between 2019 and 2021 to these above. And you know what then NVIDIA did with its growth over that period of time to grow by 1,400%, and over this period, they were 881. So we can come to some conclusions. What I've done is done this for 61 stocks. I'm inviting you to come take a look, 14 days free, and see if this kind of information can help you become a better investor. Go to the link in the screen and I'll take you to my tell sheet where I'll explain this in great detail. And then you can make a decision if this is what you need to improve your investing skills.